Alright guys, so today is the day we finally have the iPhone XR in hand. I actually just picked it up from UPS. I'm super hyped to be unboxing this. And oh, there's a deer running. Oh my god. What's up? It's so cute. Oh, there's another one. For some reason, I'm never prepared and never have scissors with me. So, this work? I wonder if this will work. Okay. Oh, got a snap. Oh, did we get it? Oh, we got it. As you guys know, we got the blue color just because that was the most popular color on my Instagram poll. So that is why we got that. We got the blue one. This is so... Should we do it? We're gonna do it. Oh, that's cool. So the lettering on the box is actually like, it's like shiny blue, which is a really cool touch that they added. Also, the Apple logo is the same exact kind of way. Alright guys, so in here we got all the instructions. I mean, obviously this is the same thing every single iPhone. We got the ejection tool. Oh my gosh, that looks so good, dude. Is this... Oh, I thought it was upside down. I was like, yo, they messed up a little bit. But here's this. We're going to put this to the side. Wow, that looks so good. Okay. All the regular kind of stuff. We got the power brick, you know, the freaking charging cable, earphones. The thing that I forgot to say in my iPhone XS unboxing is that they do not have the dongle anymore, which is very unfortunate for people that use like aux headphones and like people that connect their aux into like their car. I mean, it's not a huge deal for most people. I feel like most people already went to like wireless headphones and wireless everything. So I mean, how much is a dongle for Apple to put in there? Like maybe $1, maybe like less than $1. So I don't know why they couldn't just add that in the box. I really like the size of this. Here we go. I'm gonna see the screen for the very first time, see how good it is. Is it gonna turn on? Okay, there we go. I can honestly already see like small pixels in the Apple logo. But guys, this color, blue, is absolutely amazing. It looks so good. That camera bump is ginormous. Is that how big it is on the iPhone XS Max too? It's so big. The camera bump is huge on this phone. Oh my gosh, dude. Bezels are ginormous on this thing too. Oh my god. Yeah, the bezel, there's a huge difference in the bezels of the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone XR, but I mean, so far the screen doesn't look terrible. I mean, yeah, I can see like some small pixels, but like it honestly doesn't look bad at all. Yeah, but the bezels honestly make it seem very thick. I don't really like how thick the bezels are, because on this, the bezels are a lot smaller. I've said this in multiple videos, but I think this is gonna be one of the most popular iPhones of the year of 2018 and 2019, just because of the price compared to like the iPhone XS Max and iPhone XS and pretty much all the phones on the market right now. And the screen honestly looks way better than I thought it would look. To be honest with you guys, it does. It looks way better than I thought it would look. And again, I feel like most people are not gonna notice the screen. Like, I'm a perfectionist. I notice the smallest things ever. That's just how I work. That's just what I, you know, that's just who I am. I just notice small things. I mean, yeah, you can tell a difference, but like, for me at least, I could tell a difference. But like, I feel like for most people, they're not even gonna notice. Like, they're not even gonna care either. Like, I don't think it's a huge deal for most people. They're just gonna be like, it's a phone, it's chilling. Like, I don't know. This is gonna be a huge hit, dude. I'm telling you guys right now, this is gonna be a huge hit. People are gonna love this phone, dude. No text on the back or anything like that. It just says iPhone, which is a really good touch. Makes it nice and simple and very minimal, and I love minimal. Whoa, okay, I didn't even notice this, but the SIM card slot is actually lower to the bottom than the iPhone XS Max slot. That's just very strange. It seems like the glass on the back is like a lot, it's more blue than the aluminum on the sides. I feel like the aluminum on the sides is like a lot like lighter of a blue, and then the blue on the back is just like very blue. It's just like a more vibrant blue than the sides aluminum. So I mean, I like it. It's a really good looking phone. I have to say that right now. It looks so much better in person than pictures, dude. I don't even know what to say. This thing looks absolutely amazing. The only thing that I don't really like about it is that I can honestly notice the bezels around the screen, just because I've had the iPhone XS Max, so I could tell like the difference between that. But that's pretty much the only thing that I would say about it that I don't really like about it. But that's just like a small thing that's like doesn't even really matter, and most people will get used to it in a day. Like if I had this phone for a day, I would get used to it in a day, like easy. Super impressed with this phone. Wow, that's all. Is just wow. It looks so good, guys. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys got the iPhone XR, let me know what color you got. All the colors look absolutely amazing in my opinion. Also, guys, I have a lot of video ideas with this phone, so make sure to stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure to drop a like. You guys already know the deal. But yeah, guys, this phone is absolutely stunning. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe, guys. It really helps the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, dude.